Hi, I'm Kim Lee, and I'm a local artist living in Fayetteville, Arkansas. I've been making art for over 10 years now, and I usually make art using film photography, collage, and drawing. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own artwork inspired by Kehinde Wiley using the materials in your kit. For this project, you will need these materials from the kit: a glue stick, a pencil sharpener, colored pencils, a black permanent marker, floral paper, white copy paper, watercolor paper, a watercolor palette, and a paintbrush, also found in the watercolor palette. With permission from an adult, grab these materials from your home or classroom: paper towels, a cup of water halfway filled, and a good pair of scissors. Alright, let's get started. Take out all of your materials and set them in front of you. It is always good to do this so you have all of your tools in your sight and reach. You will also need a small cup and a paper towel. Fill the cup up about halfway with water. Now we are ready to start. First, take the sheet of white watercolor paper, the thicker white paper in your kit, and trace the outline of your hand on it. Make sure the hand you are tracing stays still while you're drawing around it. Don't forget to take your time and go in between each finger. If you need help tracing, ask a friend or family member to help. Once your hand is traced, carefully cut it out. Remember to take your time and don't get into a rush. After you cut out your traced hand, think about things that make you unique. Everyone is special and has specific qualities that make them that way. Make a list of 5 to 6 words to describe those qualities that make you who you are on a spare sheet of copy paper. The copy paper in your kit should feel thin and light. Now we are ready to write our unique words with a black permanent marker on the hand we cut out earlier. Write the words on the palm, fingers, and thumb. The words I chose to describe my unique qualities are creative, Vietnamese American, adventurous, hardworking, loves plants, and teacher. After we write our words, we're going to use the copy paper, watercolors, and paintbrush in your kit. We also need a cup of water that is filled halfway. Lay the hand on a sheet of copy paper. Now wet your paintbrush in the water and use the watercolor paints to add color to your hand. Paint your hand however you choose. Make it unique and wonderful just like you are. Some watercolor paints are lighter than others, so you may have to add layers of color for a vibrant finish. Once you finish painting, let it dry. The drying process can take some time, so go take a break or finish up another project. After your colorful hand has dried, you will need the glue stick and one of the floral papers. Use the glue stick to put glue all over the backside of your paper hand. Then glue the hand onto the decorative side of the floral paper. Make sure everything is glued down by using your fingertips to smooth the hand onto the floral paper. Let's use the colored pencils. Look closely at the flowers and colors of the paper that we glued your hand onto. Let the flowers grow onto your colorful painted hand. You can grow as many flowers onto your hand as you want. It can even completely cover the entire hand if you would like it to. Look closely at the edges where the hand and floral paper meet. What lines and shapes can you make to create the floral pattern on your hand? When you are done, please clean up your space and put your leftover materials back in your kit. I hope you had fun, and thanks so much for making art with me today. With an adult's permission, take a photo or video of your artwork and post it on social media with the hashtag #MyMuseumKit. Until next time, enjoy creating.